Guys, this is Ramsey from BB Photography, and today I'm going to be collaborating this image with camera and filter from this to this. Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So before I start, I would like you guys to please subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the notification button so I know when I post a video. And if this video helps you out in one way or the other, please give it a thumbs up. And if you have a question or you have something to talk about, a critics or something, please drop in the comment and I will reply as soon as possible, ASAP. So the first thing I'll do is I want to import this image. I want to import the image first. Just gonna do that. I'm going to open with Photoshop, and it's going to take us straight into Camera Raw. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to crop this image. Most times I'll advise you crop 4 to 5 because of Instagram. So we're just going to do that, and I think I want to take that a bit closer. Yep. So that's that. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my camera calibration, and I'm basically going to play with the hue and saturation. And I'm just going to take this here, take this a bit back, take out the saturation. Then this is the skin tones. I'm just going to add a bit. Yep, that's it. And the image is kind of looking reddish, so I'm just going to work on my hue, saturation, and luminance. That's your HSL slides. You can see the before and after. This is what we started with, and this is what that in the last thing we did. This is what it did, and like a great difference. So we're just going to perfect the skin tone here. So I'm going to take out my reds. I don't really want red because she's like a dark skin girl. I'm going to take that red, maybe bring up the orange a bit, increase the luminance of the orange to make her skin pop a bit. Yep. Then I'm just going to pop out the green wherever it is. There's no green at the moment, but yep. Then this, just going to increase that a bit, increase the luminance. Yep. So I'm going to try to work on the exposure because I need exposure. So I'm just going to take down the highlight because of this bit distracting, and I'm going to take up the shadows. I take up the blacks a bit, add a bit of contrast to it, take up the shadows. Sometimes I just want to take out the saturation and increase the vibrance way up, take this up a bit, and I still want to add a bit of warmness to it, so I'm just going to go to my split tones, work on my highlights and shadows. I always like to put blues in my highlights, give it that blue feel. Then as well, add a bit of saturation to make that skin pop, as you can see. And I'm just going to take that a bit, take out this. Yep. And then I'm going to go to my curves. I'm going to just add a bit of blues to the shadows, just a bit. I'm really sorry for the noise. I'm so sorry for the noise, as those are my dogs fighting. So let's continue. I'm just going to add a bit of yellows to the midtones. Then I'm going to go to my normal RGB, and I'm going to increase a bit, add a bit of contrast. So my image is kind of looking dark, I know. I'm going to increase the exposure just a bit, yeah. Perfect. That is perfect right there. And yep. So that's so basically this is what I do every time I collaborate on my camera raw. Sometimes I fix this up. I don't know, sometimes I do this to fix up the mistakes around caused by colors and stuff. By the way, I shot this with a Nikon D800 and 50mm. I think I like it the way it was actually. I think I kind of like it that way. So guys, this is what I basically do. This is the before and the after. You can see the skin tone looks a bit better here. And I think I'm just going to add a bit of contrast just to touch the hair. For the hair side, let's take down the shadows a bit, increase the highlight a bit, and we have that. So this is what we do, and this is how I colorate my images on Camera Raw. And I'm just going to take that to normal Photoshop. And for the sake of this video, it's just for color grading, but I'm going to show you guys my steps on retouching. So this is already an edited version, and first thing I did was to take out the blemishes. um yeah, it's got the blemishes here, then did frequency separation, then brighten up the eyes. I really don't do too much retouching, so basically that's it. So yeah, so guys, I have an online store in which you can purchase my presets. I'm going to drop the link in my description below, and you could purchase them. And I always say use my preset as a foundation to create your own better preset. So guys, everything for the culture. I'll catch you guys later, next time, same channel. Please do share this to your friends, subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys later. Have a great week, guys.